Use a dry tool to open the right side cover of the dashboard. Remove trim and cover. Take out the middle black screw. Remove the pedal trim. Unscrew the screw under the glove box with a screwdriver. Use a dry tool to open the screw on the left. Pry the board. Pry off the side screws. Use a dry tool to disassemble the decorative panel of the center console. Take away the center console trim. Location of wireless charger. Transfer the protocol line to the blue socket on the right side of the co-pilot. Pull the wire across the bottom to the center console. Route the main power cable from the center console to the rear. Disassemble the air outlet panel and pull out the plug. Insert the socket we configured into the unplugged plug. Put the line in. Use a dry tool to open the bottom cover. Take out another adapter harness. Pull out the plug on the right side of the passenger seat. Plug in the original car plug with the adapter harness. Plug the other end of the transfer harness back into the socket on the car. After the connection is completed, route the cables from the right side of the seat to the bottom of the seat and to the central control position in the rear row. Then connect the main harness and route from bottom to top. Take out the main engine, plug it in. Then install the host back.